Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Yesim. So let me take you to the website, which is yesim.app. For the ones who don't know about them, Yesim is an eSIM-based mobile connectivity service that provides users with access to mobile data without needing a physical SIM card. It allows travelers and remote users to purchase and activate data plans digitally for various countries or regions, eliminating the need for traditional roaming services. They are compatible with eSIMs-enabled devices and offer flexible plans for short-term and long-term use. So what you're waiting for? Come to their website, explore all about them, and see what they offer. You can also get a virtual number if you like. That's totally up to you. But we are not exactly here for that. We are here to earn money from them. Can we do that? Why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Yesim, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you'll end up getting commission. So the affiliates from which country can join them. I didn't find any restrictions. So regardless of your country, you can apply to be a part of Yesim affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. You can promote ESM to the consumers worldwide. Totally up to you. Now, how do you join their affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Travel Payouts. Now, why travel payouts and what do they have to do with ESM? So Travel Payouts is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there, especially for travel and tourism related affiliate programs. So what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of some brands out there, then you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to be part of affiliate program of Yasim, then you can come to Travel Payouts website. You'll see the link in the video description as well. Come to the website, and once you're here, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to this form. You can do the sign up. It's for free. You can get an affiliate account with Travel Payouts for free. You don't have to pay anything to them. And I know it's not that easy to create an account. There are many things that you have to keep in mind, but don't you worry. I got you covered. I had created a video on how to sign up with Travel Payouts and how to use the affiliate dashboard that you get afterward. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link and use it to understand how to sign up and use the affiliate dashboard of Travel Payouts. Now, once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again and click on login. This will take you to the login page, enter your credentials, then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you can find the affiliate program of not just YESM, but other travel and tourism related affiliate program. But our focus is just YESM affiliate program. Now, to find the affiliate program, you can come to the site, you can click on programs, and you can click on all. And over here, you can search for YESM. Just type in their name and you will see the tile here. You can click on the tile to see more details. Now, when you click it, you can see 18%. Now, this is the commission rate that they're offering. That means if you bring sales to them, if someone through your efforts buy the SIM card from them, the eSIM card, you will get 18% of that as commission. Now, that's great. Then you can also read other things here for better understanding. Like you could get commission if you bring sales to them on their mobile website or desktop website, doesn't matter, through in-app as well. If through your efforts someone directly goes to the app and buys the eSIM, you'll still get the benefit out of it. Then there are some features you can read as well. And if you scroll down, you can see target countries worldwide, so they're okay. And then you can see allowed brand promotion methods and channels. So they're not restricting affiliates. That means any kind of affiliates can promote them. You can see all of them listed here. You can also, if you have multiple channels, you can promote them on the channels that you like, so long as you have applied to your affiliate program using that channel. Then if you scroll down, you can see paid search is not allowed. And sure, you follow that. And then there are program terms as well. You can click on program terms and read about it to understand what is allowed and what is not allowed. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply it to the affiliate program. How do you do that? Simply click on connect to program. I will ask you to choose your available project type. So when you sign up with travel payouts, you have to create a project. Basically, project is like different channels you have, online presence you have. So for each of those online presence, you create a project type with travel payouts. So in my case, I'm going to go with this content creation project of mine. In your case, whatever project that you have added with travel payouts as a channel, you can click on connect. By the way, this is the channel where you intend to promote ESM. And once you will click on connect, your connection with them will establish. So basically, you have joined the affiliate program of ESM. Usually what happens when you apply to the affiliate program of any brand, you have to wait for some days to get the approval, but that's not in the case of ESM. So the moment you click on apply, you would be able to get approved automatically by them. So as you can see, now I see an option of manage connection here. Same way, if you click on that option, you'll see the affiliate relationship has been established. Then to see more details, you can come here and you can always go to the connected section within program. This is where you will see all the affiliate programs that you have been approved with. So in our case, you have been approved with YesM. You can click on them again and you will see the details. Now, let's say you have read it all. And if you have some question, you can always click on ask a question and ask any questions to them. Okay, so you get the approval for the affiliate program. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you just can't take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. Now in affiliate marketing, it is super important that you must use your tracking link. In other words, affiliate link. This is how the affiliate network and as well as the brands would know your efforts and can give you the commissions accordingly. So how do you create or get your tracking link? There are two ways. You can click on this create link option on the top right hand side. When you do that, you will see your program in here. So you can select a project from here and then the program. Within program, you'll see approved brand. So you can select the brand accordingly. In our case, Yesim. You can put the link for which you want to create tracking link for. For example, I want to create tracking link for their homepage. I can copy it here. I can paste it in here. And the moment I'll paste it, you'll see the link will get created. So if I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it here. Observe, this is a tracking link. So this is how you can create tracking link for YesM, different web pages you can explore and create a link accordingly. Now, this is one of the way. Second ways is you come here on the program information page. Again, go to connected, search YesM, click here, and you will be on the program information page. Over here, you can click on tools. And here you will see different kind of links. So as you can see, create a link. So this is like a widget here that we explore. It's like in this format. Basically, you can create links like this as well. And then if you scroll down, you can see there's a link for the app. And then there's a link for the website as well. You can simply click on get link and you can get the link from directly from here as well. All right, so using one of these ways, you can create your tracking link. But the question arises, where exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few just to give you some basic ideas. One way is on the website. It doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can create some advertisement on some web pages of your website and put your link maybe on the right, left, wherever you feel it's more suited for your audience, you can put the advertisement accordingly. Second way is blog. Now, blog would be amazing because you could create blog posts. You can talk about different things of YesM and put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post content. So this way, people would read your blog post and would be interested. They will click on the link. They will buy the eSIM of YesM, and you will end up getting commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media would be great here because through social media, you can do many things. You could create posts, you can create videos, reels, all these things you could do, and put your tracking link somewhere in the comment section or the description. Then the fourth way, which I feel like is more suited here and would be more helpful, is the travel and tourism website. So let's say you have travel and tourism website. People come to these kind of website to get understanding of different services they could use. And let's say if you want to travel somewhere, you would want to look for eSIM services, correct? But assume as an affiliate, you have travel and tourism website, so you could promote brands like eSIM. So maybe create a standalone section just for Yesim, so people can come to your website, travel and tourism website, can explore the eSIM services, and if they find Yesim, you just integrate some link in that section. So this way, when people find that section on your website, they click on the link and buy the eSIM from Yesim, and you'll get the commission. So these are some of the ways you could promote Yesim. But before you promote them, ensure you have created a project for that channels of yours and travel payouts, and then you're promoting Yesim. Now you have started promoting them and you will start bringing sales to them. The question arises, would you see your performance? For that, you can come to travel payouts once again. And over here, you can click on performance, and you can click on summary or booking to see your performance. You can also um, run through filters to get better understanding of your performance over the period of time. Now, if you want to have details, more details and detailed information about this program or even other program, you can always come to reports, and you can run reports from here as well. You can run content analytics, performance, booking, refers, all these things you could run. Then what about the commission? So all the performance you'll see here, you will see your commission as well. And what would you see on the top left hand side, the balance section here? So over here, you will see your balance, the accumulated commission. And if you want to see the breakdown of it, simply click on finance. And over here, click on balance breakdown. It will show you the balance breakdown of your accumulated commission that you can expect travel payouts to send it to you. Now, all the commission that travel payouts send it to you, you will see it in payout history. Now, how do you set up your payment method? There's a way travel payouts can issue commission to you, correct? So for that, you can go to payout methods. And over here, you can select the country of residence. In my case, I'm going to go with India, since I'm from India. In your case, you can go with your country of residence. And based on your country of residence, you'll see the payment methods available here. For me, it's PayPal. For you, it could be PayPal, web money, bank account, or others as well. So depending on your payment method, you'll also see minimum payout. That means travel payouts will only be able to issue commission to you once your accumulated commission exceeds the respective payout. You will also see the fee if there's any fee connected to the mentioned payment method. And let's say whatever payment methods you see for your residents, you can click on add and update your payment details. So in my case, let's say if I want to update PayPal, I can click on add for PayPal, and I can update the details accordingly. So depending on the type of payment method you're going with, you have to click on add, and you can add the details accordingly. So once you have updated your payment methods, and once you start promoting Yesim and start bringing sales to them, you're going to start earning commission like this. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Yesim. You start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Yesim. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.